Hey folks, it's your old pal, Will Lopez, back once again to share more information on the Form W-4. This video is about the IRS's Withholding Estimator tool. What in the world is that? Well, let me tell you. The IRS's Withholding Estimator is probably easier to think of as a withholding calculator. It's a slick tool that'll help you figure out how much to withhold from your paycheck, and thus, it helps you complete Form W-4. The Withholding Estimator tool is a bit easier than the worksheets we went through in the prior video. And if you like easy, I definitely recommend using it. But first, anyone who wants to use the estimator will have to be prepared with similar information that's requested from the W-4 worksheets. That means you should have two things handy. One, your most recent pay stub and your spouse's too. It should include the amount of federal income tax withheld so far in the current year. And two, a completed copy of your most recent tax return. It will help with estimating income and other items for the current tax year. The information from those two items should help you get through the withholding estimator, but you should know that the estimator will only be as accurate as the information you enter into it. If you throw in a best guess for the required information, the result will not be as precise. The withholding estimator will spit out an approximation of someone's tax liability for their tax return, and whether their current withholdings is enough for that tax obligation. Only you know those two things. One, your tax liability, and two, your current withholdings. Depending on your results, it may cause you to make adjustments to your W-4. Another important thing to know: one, if you have a pension but not a job, or two, your current status is non-resident, or three, your tax situation is complex. If any of those apply to you, the IRS does not recommend using its withholding estimator tool. Okay, that's a wrap on the IRS Withholding Estimator. I'm Will Lopez, and thanks for watching.